Greetings, friends! Mrs. Drum here for another lesson on fractions. Today we are going to convert a mixed number into an improper fraction. Let's get started. Look at today's notes. It says in order to convert a mixed number into an improper fraction, we need to multiply the denominator by the big kahuna. Then we need to add the product or the answer to the numerator. The sum is the numerator, and always the denominator stays the same. Look at the example, 2 and 1/6. We need to multiply 6 times 2, which is 12. Then we're going to add the 1. 12 plus 1 is 13. That's my numerator. The denominator stays the same, so my improper fraction is 13/6. Look at problem 1. Convert the mixed number into an improper fraction. Our first step is to multiply the denominator by the big kahuna. 4 times 4 is 16. Then we need to take our answer and add it to the numerator. 16 plus 1 is 17. The denominator stays the same, so the improper fraction is 17/4. Look at problem 2. Our first step is to multiply the denominator by the big kahuna. Try this one on your own. Pause the video while you work. 3 times 2 is 6. Our next step is to add on the numerator. Pause the video while you work and replay when you're ready to check your work. 6 plus 2 is 8. The sum or answer is our new numerator, and the denominator stays the same. So the improper fraction is 8/3. Look at problem 3. Try this all on your own. Look back at the work we just did if you need help. Pause the video while you work and replay when you are ready to check it. Step 1 is to multiply the denominator by the big kahuna. 5 times 3 is 15. Now we need to add on the numerator. 15 plus 4 is 19. The answer is the new numerator, and the denominator stays the same. The improper fraction is 19/5. Your assignment is to complete number 1 and number 2 of the problem set. Check your work with the answer keys at the front of the room. If you need to make corrections, make sure to do so. Then complete the exit ticket. Make sure your name is on it and turn it in to the turn-in tray. Great job working hard today. Keep it up. I'll see you next time.